Hello viewer, how to fix Instagram message not showing or Instagram chat not showing in your profile. Let's see the solution. Open your phone setting, scroll down and find out apps. Click on apps. Now search Instagram app. Go to Instagram app. Now scroll down, click on storage. From the lower right corner, clear cache data from Instagram app. Now go back to your home screen. Open Google Play Store. Tap on search icon. Now search Instagram app. Go to Instagram app and make sure your Instagram app is updated. If your app is not updated, please make sure your Instagram app is updated. Now follow the third step. Open your phone setting. Go to your connection setting. From your connection setting, make sure your internet connection is stable, because sometimes unstable internet connection can create Instagram message not showing problem. Now power off your phone. Then again reopen your phone. Follow all of these steps to fix Instagram message not showing and Instagram chat not showing problem.